let's have a look at the US treble stitch, UK double treble. Now the start of this one, it is going to be 4 chains high. So I'm going to work 1, 2, 3, 4 chains. Now sometimes this sort of number of chains you do on the when you're coming up at the beginning of a row can change depending on your tension. So if you find that your stitches are smaller than the number of chains you've done, you probably just need 3, but we'll just go by the book for this one to start with. So instead of bringing the yarn around the hook just once, we're going to bring it around twice. And then I'm going to put the hook into the stitch and pull up a loop so that you've got 4 loops on the hook. Then we bring the yarn around the back, pull through 2, yarn around, pull through 2, yarn around, pull through 2. And you see how tall that stitch is. So this is a US treble, UK double treble. So we go round twice and then into the stitch and pull up a loop. So we have 4 loops on the hook. Then we yarn around the hook, pull through 2, yarn around, pull through 2, yarn around, pull through 2. So we do that again, round twice, into the stitch and pull up a loop. So you've got 4 loops on the hook, yarn around, pull through 2, yarn around, pull through 2, yarn around, pull through 2. Let's do it again. 1, 2, into the stitch and pull up a loop. 4 loops on your hook, yarn around, pull through 2, yarn around, pull through 2, yarn around, pull through 2. Can you see how tall those stitches are? They're fantastic. So down here is the US double crochet, UK treble crochet, and up here is 1 loop higher, 1 twist higher, and you can see how tall that makes it. It's lovely. It's quite a good sort of lacy look. You might be thinking, you know, when am I going to use these big stitches? But we have a video on the channel which is how to do to crochet a heart, and you'll notice that all of these stitches are used in that heart, so you can use your double treble crochets or your treble US crochets in there. And sometimes it's just used for shaping or actually for cabling. So 1, 2 around the hook, into the stitch and pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And remember, if you do one wrong and you think, oh, that's not very good, take your hook out, pull it out and go back to the one before. Yarn over twice, into the stitch and pull up a loop. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. We're nearly at the end now. Round twice, into the stitch and pull up a loop. When we get to the end of the row, just make sure that we go into the last stitch. So here we are, now we're at the end. Here is our last stitch. There it is. So we do yarn over twice, into the stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And so what we have here is the UK double treble, US treble crochet. I want to show you how to work a slip stitch. Now a slip stitch is the smallest of all the crochet stitches, and it's almost level with the row that you're working on.